Today I want to talk about my most favorite small kitchen appliance, the Ninja Dual Basket Air Fryer. I have been a longtime air fryer owner, and when Ninja came out with their dual basket option, I knew that I had to have it, and it has not disappointed. I've owned this for about 2 years. It's in great shape, works just as well as the day I bought it, and the dual basket option has been perfect for our family of 5 with 3 kids who are super busy with sports, and our weeknight is crazy. Air fryer meals are key because they cook quick and easy, and with the dual basket option, you can cook 2 different things on 2 different settings for 2 different amounts of times, but schedule them to have them done about the same time, which is key. You know, if you're a mom, your kids never want to eat the same things. So problem solved with the dual basket option. You can see the baskets are both actually really good size. I will note that a couple things I have noticed is, number one, if you're cooking with both baskets on, you're gonna wanna increase cook time a little bit. It does take a little longer. Also, one of the questions I had is, can you dump in like a bag of fries and have it all cook so they're crispy and consistent? So the answer to that is yes. It will cook faster with a single layer, but if you want to do a stack, you just need to shake it throughout the cooking process and they will come out absolutely perfect.
Love my new Smart Finish air fryer. This right here, oh my gosh, best money I've spent in I don't even know how long. This thing is great. 2 baskets. 1, 2. You got the match and the smart, and it'll tell you how to do different things over here, temperatures, things like that. Same over here for the match cook, so you can have it different temperatures done at the same time. So one would start, and then the other one would be on hold, and then when it gets to the time, maybe 10 minutes, and this one here is supposed to be 10 minutes, it'll automatically start, so they're done at the same time. You've got air fry, you've got bake, roast, reheat, air broil, dehydrate. Amazing. Oh, and it has the thermometer. So you put your meat in there, you've got your thermometer. I've got it on my fridge. But you just plug it in, leave it on the outside, right here with this hole is. Plug it in there, stick it in the meat. It'll tell you what the inside is, as far as the temperature, things like that, and when it gets to what you want it to, but you can have it cook it how you want. Medium rare, medium well, has all the adjustments on here for that. Awesome machine. Totally recommend this. Hi, today we're going to be reviewing Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL. It's this one right here. I just got it a few weeks ago. I had a different one before, but I fell in love with this one. It's pretty easy to use. You can take it out, and also it has a little basket right here. Gasket, you can take it out also as well to clean it, or if you want to bake, or just put the meat right in there straight, put it back in there, or you can put pieces of chicken on top of the little gasket there. Then you put it back in here. It has a on and off switch. It has a temperature. You can regulate the temperature. I'll show you 390. You can put it up or you can lower it down as well. We have the timer right here. You could put for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on the time you want to use it for your cooking. It has a start and pause button right here. So when you're gonna check on the meat in there, you can pause it and open it and check if it's done, if it needs to be more cooked. Back in there, you put start again. It has this 6 little settings right here. If you want to make max crispy, like it's crispier for the chicken or anything you put in there, or use the regular air fryer, the roasting, the baking, reheating, or if you want to do some chips as well, it could dehydrate carrots, potatoes, sweet potatoes. I love to do the pickles. I love dry pickles, so I do that in here as well. It has a little sticker right here where it tells you about how many minutes you're gonna be putting for chicken or frozen fries, vegetables, fish. It comes with a nice instruction guide, as you can see right here. It tells you all the settings, and also it tells you how to use it as well. It has recipes, and it tells you all the recipes and how many minutes, for how long you're gonna put it in there. It's pretty easy to use. I really like it. Again, I cook all the time, and this one, it saves me so much time. I cook more healthy foods, and I use less oil now. I love it.
Done. 10 minutes. Match cooked.
These might need another, I don't know. I would say they might need a little bit in a minute. I don't know. You tell me.
They're good. Chicken bites and taco tots.
Oh, I almost didn't see that there. Look at how small this thing is. It's not gigantic at all. Nearly takes up my entire countertop. But yeah, she does the job.
Introducing the Ninja Air Fryer Pro, a versatile kitchen appliance that delivers crispy, delicious results with little to no oil. With a large 5-quart capacity, this air fryer can accommodate up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. Its 4-in-1 functionality allows you to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate a variety of foods. The Air Crisp technology surrounds your favorite foods with superheated air up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring hot, crispy results in just minutes. Prepare guilt-free fried foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro features a non-stick basket and crisper plate for easy cleaning, and its compact design saves valuable counter space. It's the perfect solution for crispy, delicious meals without the added oil and mess. Experience the convenience and versatility of the Ninja Air Fryer Pro and enjoy your favorite fried foods with a healthier twist.